Hey friends, today I will explain how we'll earn from TikTok. 16 ways to make money on TikTok in 2024. If you're already spending hours a day on TikTok, you might want to consider how you can monetize your hobby. With over 1 billion active global users, operating in over 40 countries, TikTok has become one of the most popular social platforms. In 2020, TikTok was the most downloaded app and is becoming the new search engine for Gen Z. How do you make money on TikTok? 15 proven ways and 1 bonus. 1. Join TikTok's Creator Fund. 2. Partner with a brand you trust. 3. Sell products through TikTok Shopping. 4. Drive sales with TikTok ads. 5. Participate in affiliate programs. 6. Promote songs. 7. Publish sponsored posts. 8. Become a brand ambassador. 9. Build and sell TikTok accounts. 10. Work with influencers. 11. Receive donations through live gifting. 12. Raise money through crowdfunding. 13. Collect tips. 14. Boost your business. 15. TikTok rewards. 16. Send followers to a Patreon account. TikTok allows users to create and share 15-second videos. There are singing, dancing, comedy, and lots of cute cat videos. There are also many opportunities to monetize TikTok, whether you are a content creator or a business owner looking to expand your market. If you love me, then follow and subscribe my account. Thank you.